framing these plaintive melodies. Hear thou, O God, these sad complaints from those of proven fealty. Beneath proud spires in western lands, and made that magic melody thrill over Afric's burning sands. The pageantries of mighty kings to us were shows that mattered not. Beneath the shade of blades unsheathed in Kalima, we glory sought. Our only life was then to face the perils of thy holy wars. To glorify thy name we died, adorned with hallowed battle scars. Not lust for power for our own sakes, our drawn swords playfulness inspired. Nor roamed we hand in glove with death for worldly riches we desired. Our people, had they set their hearts on this world's riches or its gold, not idol breaking would have gone, but idols would have bought and sold. We stood our ground like rocks when once the foe had met our phalanx dread. Before our might the bravest quailed and vanquished from